Hi guys, get ready with me to go to bed to get dinner. Before I will do it, I need to wash my face with tissue for 20 hours.
Nasugatan pa ang suspect nang sumabit daw ito sa fire truck habang tumatakbo. Ang kasabot na nagmamaneho ng motor, nakatakas.
May sumigaw po kasi na may snatcher. Kasalukuyan po nandun po yung pulis natin na nagpapatrolya. Agad pong na-respondan yung tao pong nangailangan ng tulong.
Agad na aresto ang 23 anyos na suspect na tumangay sa cellphone. Ayon sa pulisya, humigit kumulang 10,000 piso ang tinatayang halaga nito. Aminado ang arestadong suspect sa pagnanakaw.
Nagawa lang po yun kasi sa hirap ng buhay. Tapos po sa pera, first time.
Ba't ang hirap?
Dati na raw siyang nakulong dahil naman sa illegal possession of firearms. Reklamong robbery ang isinampa laban sa suspect na nakakulong sa Santa Cruz Police Station. Patuloy na rin
I'll be right back. Okay, so you now split it in half. Now I will put this in the water. Let's go. So guys, I need a plate. And I will put it in. I'll put water on it. Oh my god. Now guys, I'll put the tissue in it. Now I'll put immediately in my face. No. Okay, it's a fail, but I'll try again because I need to make my face beautiful. So I could just be. It's just only my face. Okay, I'm done. My damit is a disaster. There we go. Okay, I guess it's a fail. So I'm just gonna get some tissue. That's a disaster. No, I'm never doing it again. Anyways, just time to do my makeup. Don't guys ask me out. I'm just gonna. It's, you know.
Bukas ang lakusan sa puno ng astin.
Now it's put
Doon
there.
dahil na sa Encantadia patungo din sa mundo ng Moonlight.
Oh my god. Yeah.
Ihanda ang mga
Instead
sarili.
of brushing.
Pagkakaan namin ang mga loob sapagkat sasabak tayo sa pinakamatinding laban na ating kakaharapin.
Mahabating Andre, tulungan mo kami. Huwag yung pababayaan na Encantadia.
It's beautiful. Yeah, beautiful. And let's try get ready with me to eat dinner. Yeah.
Kailangan natin magtungo sa Encantadia.
Bye bye.